Creating a LinkedIn messaging ad. Hey there everyone! How do you like LinkedIn advertising so far? When compared to other social advertising solutions, this one goes a long way to help you maximize your results easily and at a very affordable rate. It's also packed with possibilities, including you send promoted messages to LinkedIn users. That's right. You can reach LinkedIn users right in their messaging inboxes simply by setting up an ad campaign. In this lesson, we're going to show you how it is done. Getting started. Let's start right off in the Campaign Manager dashboard. From there, move to the Accounts column and click on the ad account that you created for your company page. Then on the following page, click on the Create Campaign button. Setting up the campaign. Alright folks, time to set up the campaign for your messaging ad. Start by editing the name of the campaign in the Untitled Campaign field. Now select your objective. The objectives that allow you to create a messaging ad are website visits, lead generation, and website conversions. The objective that you choose will depend on what type of action you want to drive with your ad. For this example, we are going to select lead generation as the objective. This will help us generate inbox leads on LinkedIn. After selecting your objective, move to the Audience section to start configuring your audience reach. Start by adding your target locations and profile language if applies. Now move to the Who is your audience section and click on Narrow Audience further to select your targeting criteria. This is a very important step because you should only send promoted messages to the people that are very likely to respond and take action. Because of this, we recommend that you select many targeting criteria as it defines your audience. Okay, now move to the Ad Format section and select Message Ad. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you are going to enter your daily budget first. Next, you're going to select your schedule. For this example, we'll select to run campaign continuously from a start date. Now go to the Bid Type section. Here you are going to enter an amount that is superior than the suggested bid. Consider making it a few cents higher than what other advertisers are paying. You will find this information at the bottom of this section. Now that the campaign is fully set up, click on Next to save and continue. Creating the message ad. Now it is time to create your ad. For this, click on the Create New Ad button. This will open the message ad editor. Start by entering the name of this ad into the Ad Name field. Now click on the Sender tab. By default, your account will appear as a sender, but you can click on Add Sender to change this. Now click on the Message tab. Here you are going to compose the message. Start by adding your message subject. Next, compose your message in the Message Text field. Here we recommend that you open with a greeting and to insert the first name as a custom field to personalize the message. For this, simply type your greeting first. Then click on the Insert Custom Field menu button. Then select First Name. Now compose your message below. In your message, you should be brief and describe the point of your offer straight. In our case, we'll describe an invitation to join a mailing list with insider content that is exclusive for professionals in our niche. Now add a call to action and a landing page URL to show in your message. Now click on the Form Details tab. Here you are going to customize the lead capture form in your message. Start by entering the name of the form into the Form Name field. By adding a name to your form, you'll be able to save it and use it for other ads. Now enter your form headline into the Offer Headline field. Then enter your form copy into the Offer Details field. Now enter your site's privacy policy page URL into the Privacy Policy URL field. Now click on the Lead Details and Custom Questions field. As you can see here, the default form fields are the commonly used fields, but you can add more by selecting from the Profile Information menu below. You can also add custom questions and custom checkboxes, but this is not required. Now click on the Confirmation tab. Here you are going to enter your confirmation and thank you message into the message field. Then add your company website URL into the landing page URL field. Lastly, click on the Create button to save your ad and add it to the campaign. Then click on the next button to save and continue. Launching the campaign and sending your message ad. Now all that's left to do is to review your campaign settings and preview your message in the ad card at the bottom of this page. Then click on the Launch Campaign button, and that's it. Creating a LinkedIn video ad. Hey there, friends! You've just created an advertising campaign on LinkedIn, and now you're ready to move forward while you wait for results. And we're ready to help you take the next step. We not only believe that paying for LinkedIn ads is crucial to success, we also know firsthand that promoting your brand this way can help you expand and profit in a way that would take you years otherwise. So in this lesson, we're going to show you how to prepare and launch a video ad campaign that can help you diversify your reach. Getting started. To create LinkedIn ads, you have to access the Campaign Manager first. We went through this in the previous lesson, but we'd like to do a quick recap so it sticks. First, click on the Work option in the top bar menu. Then, click on the Advertise icon to go to the Campaign Manager. And once in the Campaign Manager, move to the Accounts column and click on the Add Account for your company page. Creating the campaign. Now it is time to create the campaign for the video ad. Start by clicking on the Create Campaign button. Now edit the name of the new campaign in the Untitled Campaign field. Now you are going to select Video Views as a campaign objective. Now it is time to configure the campaign settings. First, move to the Location section and add your additional target locations by clicking on Add Location. Because your profile language is set by default as your target language, you can skip to the Who is your target audience section, where you are going to select your targeting criteria. Remember that here, you can either search audience attributes either by entering keywords into the search field, or you can browse attributes by using the Audience Attributes menu. In this example, our goal is to reach people interested in our content, so we are going to enter a niche keyword into the search field, and then we will select attributes from the results. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. First, enter your daily ad spend into the Daily Spend field. Now select your schedule. For this example, we'll select to run campaign continuously from the start date. The next step is key. First, click on the Bid Type menu button. Then select Maximum CPV Bid. This setting will help you set a maximum cost per view bid, so you don't go over budget. What you'll do now is to enter a bid amount that is slightly higher than the suggested bid, preferably that goes a few cents above what other advertisers are paying. You will find this information at the bottom of this section. Now that you are done configuring the campaign, click on the Next button to save and continue. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. Start by clicking on the Create New Ad button to open the ad editor. Now to set up the ad creative. First, enter your ad copy into the Introductory Text field. Now you are going to click on the Upload Video button to upload your video file to the ad. Now you are going to enter your ad headline into the Headline field. Now enter your website or landing page URL into the Destination URL field. Now click on the Call to Action menu button and select the CTA that best describes the action you want the user to take after watching the video ad. In this case, we are going to select Learn More, so they click on our URL. And now that you've finished the ad, click on the Create button to save your ad and add it to the campaign. Now click on the Next button to save and continue. Launching the video ad campaign. Lastly, you are going to review your campaign settings on this page, and then you'll click on the Launch Campaign button. And that's it! Now you can start expanding your audience thanks to promoted video content.